You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? This is a fascinating word, so let's go through how to pronounce it. It comes from the French word brusque. Brusque, that's why it's got a weird spelling. Now, in English there are two different pronunciations. Brusquely, from the word brusque, and the American pronunciation is as brusquely. Brusquely, US pronunciation, or how to pronounce brusquely, British English. Brusquely, brusquely. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.